2015 Jeep Wrangler ticking noise coming for engine, standard lifters and rockers, and this particular one had damaged the cam. There's a big groove in here, as you can see. So I'm going to replace both of these cams here and the lifters and rockers. This is the rocker here, rolls down the cam lobe, and the lifter is right here. So what I've been finding, and not a lot of research on it, and I saw it one time while I was going through this job, was that these bolts, the oil galley plug bolts here, they feed oil to the lifters all the way down here. See, this is the first row, this is the second row. It's those two bolts right here, right next to the timing chain, which is, every time I'm working on these, they're loose. So this one was tight, but this one I was able to wrench down. I could just rock it and it wasn't even tight. So something that I want to inform people on.